What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PayPal holdings with the ticker symbol PYPL. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let's take a quick view at the most recent price action. So you can see that PayPal is continuing to push up higher since I last looked at it on Tuesday. You can see that on Tuesday, price closed right around the 62.49 level. And then, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we continued higher for the most part. Thursday was a slight move down, but you can see that today reestablished the move up higher. So we're finding a little resistance at this prior swing right over here, this little micro resistance, but it looks like price is going to be able to break through it, not by much. So we're already pushing up higher. We're starting to close above the EMA, which is a bullish sign. And you can see this yellow channel is holding in place. So we'll see if price can continue higher towards the measure move target that I had. If the bulls can make a move up about this size, there's a good chance they can make a move up about the same size. That's why a measure move is important. So we had one move up, price pull back. This is the second attempt. This is the second leg up to this target at the $65 level. So that is the target for right now. We'll see if the bulls can get there. If we can surpass it, then the next target will be the 67.84. So this looks pretty good, at least in the short term. I don't really see any strong bearish momentum telling me we're going to go lower. We did see a strong double bottom at the $59 level after a crash down. Crashes are unsustainable, and look, you can see what happens after a crash. Price starts pulling back right to the starting point of the crash, just like the same pattern occurred right over here. Price crashed down, bounce from the $59 level, and slowly trended up right back to the starting point of that crash. So the same pattern can occur over here. I'm not saying it will. I'm saying it could occur. There's a lot of repeat patterns in the market, because if someone got fooled once, they can get fooled again. So that's how you can look at it. That might be like one of the theories behind why the patterns repeat. If someone makes a mistake, there's a good chance they might make the same mistake again, and then the market can capitalize on that. So it looks like we are moving higher in the short term. As of right now, I don't really see anything, telling me we're going to go lower. I mean, we are, not pushing through the EMA by much, and we're still kind of at this resistance point. So we could see a move down, but, I think, there's a good chance that PayPal is trying to reach the $65 level and then the 67. Even if we do go lower, we know we do have support just right below at the $59 level, and then that might hold again, and then price may continue to trend up higher. So right now, that's getting a little too far. As of right now, price is, moving up higher, and I'm expecting higher price targets. And again, for me to be really bullish on PayPal, we need to see a break of this trend line that I'll talk about more on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart's price action, and you can see that we're still below the EMA on the weekly chart, and we're still below this trend line right over here. So we need to see a break of this trend line for price to be really bullish, because it's going to be probably acting as resistance if price is not strong enough to break through it, just how it acted as resistance back here in late July. So, we have a nice double bottom. This could be a very good sign. A double bottom after a very large downtrend, that's a good sign. This is kind of a bottoming area. I wouldn't say this is the bottom guaranteed. I don't know for sure. I don't think anyone does. But, this is what you want to see for a reversal. You want to see a downtrend kind of flatten out, get a couple support formed, and then price to continue to trend up higher. So something like that. So this is looking pretty good for maybe long term. We'll see how it develops, but that's what I see on the chart. Basically, it's a double bottom. We are still below the EMA though, and we're still inside of this trend line. So there's a couple things that the bulls need to get above and break through for confirmation that we are going to go trending up much higher. Something like that, or something like this would be really good. A flag pattern. But either way, if price can break through, find support, there's a good chance we'll continue to trend up higher. But either way, in the short term, PayPal is moving up higher, and the bears may have failed to reach their target at the $52 level. And this target was coming off of this leg right over here. And if we move it down, this is the first attempt, and we saw the second attempt from the bears, and it looks like, they failed at this $59 level, and we're continuing higher. So if the market tries to do something twice and fails, it's most likely going to do the opposite. So that's how double bottoms are formed. The bears try to break through the $59 level 2 times already. This was the first time back in May, and this is the second time back in July. So there's a good chance it might see a huge reversal to the upside. I'm not saying for sure, but it's at least in the short term, it's setting up to do that. Maybe at least the 65 and then maybe the 67. So that's all I have for PayPal Technologies or PayPal Holdings this week, Saturday, and I'll give you guys an update on Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.